Do I need special tornado insurance if I live in an area prone to tornadoes? If you are living in an area that frequently experiences tornadoes, you might wonder if you need special insurance just for tornado damage. It is a good question, and understanding your options is key to protecting your vehicle. The good news is that you do not need a separate tornado insurance policy for your car. Instead, you should consider having comprehensive coverage as part of your existing auto insurance policy. Comprehensive coverage is specifically designed to protect your vehicle from various types of damage, including that caused by tornadoes. This coverage typically includes damage from wind, flying debris, hail, floods, and fallen trees, all of which can occur during a tornado. If you live in a tornado-prone area, having this type of coverage is essential for safeguarding your vehicle against these natural disasters. Now, let's clarify what basic car insurance covers. Liability coverage protects you against damages you cause to others, while collision coverage covers accident-related damage. However, neither of these types of coverage typically includes tornado damage. For example, if a tree falls on your car during a tornado, that damage would likely be covered under comprehensive coverage, not collision. It is also important to have this coverage in place before a tornado event occurs. Insurance companies often impose restrictions on adding or changing coverage once a tornado watch or warning is issued. This means you cannot wait until a storm is on the horizon to purchase this protection. From a financial perspective, comprehensive coverage does add to your insurance premium, but it is a small price to pay for the protection it offers. Tornado damage can be costly, including repairs for dents, shattered windows, and structural damage from debris. In some cases, the vehicle may even be a total loss. Without comprehensive coverage, you would be responsible for all repair or replacement costs out of your own pocket. So, if you live in an area prone to tornadoes, you do not need a special tornado insurance policy for your car. Instead, make sure you have comprehensive auto insurance coverage to protect against tornado-related damage. This coverage is your best safeguard for your vehicle when facing the risks associated with tornadoes.